Ang liit naman ng kita ko, hindi naman ako makapag-ipon at makapag-invest. Ano ang i-invest ko? Utang? Kung gusto niyo matuto kung paano kayo yumaman kahit maliit lang ang iyong kita, nako, you got to watch this video.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Nanoyerdis Chinkitan ang iyong pambansang wealth coach. Thank you very much for supporting this channel, and I'm really so blessed that you are part of this movement, itong Iponaryo movement. That's the reason why kung kayo first time hindi pa kayo naka-join sa Iponaryo movement, mag-subscribe na kayo sa channel na ito. Ang usapan po natin ay paano ba tayo yayaman kahit na maliit ang ating kita. Naku mga friendship, ako ay super excited and I want you to get a piece of paper and I want you to take down notes. Kung maintindihan nyo tong konsepto na isi-share ko po sa inyo, this will literally change the way you think, change the way you behave. It would change talagang yung perspective mo sa buhay. Mind blow